This is my enemy.
You really catch it, pen for sing. Say, was supposed we and just sympathy. You never can and no Akan. Well, Lutia, over beginning, make a set it or a theatre, a shout to be a song to Siaga. Now I say, I trust it, within the panoco, the patcho. I'm for the channel to us. We will be the year and I'll be. You was a dock on the door. Love follow the love. Confessing you were now. You know no sleep. See die. We know not who. Pacho. Kona odia kwanda kono. Pese bia ade be chese, ade chese. Mpese metu na mafaka ba ababo. Be pacho pa. Send we di hu no. Shop yourself clean. Di hu ni na bu oba no. Won so mu. Mpese hey. We na banana bantu nsa. Pacho. Tata. And we see.
Asem ni nyina na makonta.
Sasa dada yayi. Kani wai.
Me pacho. Odo sonko a obeyi a kire me bayi.
Eno makama. Me na mdika na.
Enya hwe wo de ma mentu aso. Odo sonko a obeyi a kire me bayi. Mankusa no kure ni. Why you nyam so adwuma.
Ampa sanity.
Anu nti ne maja akoda yi ene me yira ma o se.
Eno mu ko.
Me pacho, ma me ti asem fufuru bia.
Debi.
Se na akoba. Me pacho. Ni ka be ya me no ofori fe papa.
Ko be mo jasem kura.
Me pede sa. Se de wo ye na naba wadi hu ni. Ma sa ni mudie na wanya no. Se be mpanifo se manum kankan wo hoyi. Aso me dokono so.
Sanity. Wo set nyawda. Ho na atafe.
Eja madam Asipa na odoko ni a odo.
Love follow the love.
Odo a me wo ma brago no. Eno na mo na metuba koma. Enti ekwa me ne one ne maame ekokro kese mu no. Nyina ye edan pa bi a me pese me ko han ma mo botinam. Na fe mimi kofi. Me papa do me. Me ne kasa obetimase. Enti me sisi fi. Ne fi toya na fe maba. De abeka me ne brago entemu aware no ho asem.
Nati. Yeso das.
Bibia be yedwuma.
Se de makonta kacho sa yede kwa bo wanya so be nsa mama.
Sanity.
Iso odoso ko we yi a kire brago. Amma hu sam
Papa odon.
Open. Ti me shan so ko so.
Namo.
Tu so no ne ko. Kese. Basa biensi. Na so no se.
Ga konta. Yo ho kwa me be fun wan be ze mi space. Let's just be safe.
Ati oboka jai. Obi wo se nyako.
Papa gre be se ni.
Papa sen.
Aso. Oh, madam.
Nase.
Wo fa ba mama me.
Afana wo mano.
Fa mama me.
Wo na mo from wo se kuma o kret be hye. Na sa 57 minutes. 1 hour. Matimu ya mkwati. Biawi. Basi.
Me say, come. Won mumi no nka mutimu na mo nko soa nkrom amane nyina esi motifi mfamba na mo fa mo megura topre wa ha ko na wo
adwumboni wa fa to twese na wuti kwa baso adwumboni akunta na akoi ehun wa kire wodo
wa ya de
won se beginning ne metiatia
nipa de se wo nusu a
ye tran de mai kasa ye
asumdua
mani age pa
asumani age ne ko pa
mani age na o kan se mi se de mo na o se hobon am se nya hobon won ta ne mu ntutu
oh tana ka kire
me kana kwa wendo na wa miska
ha
wa miska
oh akunta wa miska baby ne na se de no wa buru to so yi o be da miska
akunta se san ka jitu mo we wi
o ma me ni me yiri sika
akunta di mo na wo ya won so ni nyanse se wo ma miska na wo ko
oh de bi se
wo hu nyanse se wo ma miska
ene kokwaje wo de
o be nya wo ko chefi na ko tetiru ni misika ko tetiru
follow them
misika ko tetiru na bro wo yi ko juko o try
ko follow them akunta bra Pacho, eho ye nipam. Wo de minnimu onokwa. Wo be kokoko akobu na nimu.
Eho ye nipam. We say
memo.
Eyi ni free na mo so mpa. Mbo. Ni azampa. Na ba.
Akunta. Be de beto ntama bo obi. Mebo.
Ebusianku odanku nenso doka baby odawo ebusianhwe ni me ya me dofo Masem ni yo.
Baby, are you okay? Okay. This is the family I brought you to come and help me with this is my sweetheart Brago. Yeah, I said you're moving crabbing and media mama Bakuma. Now, on any mama way.
Or French, you
okay, you're moving on with that hair. Now, because of one or two reasons, being so you know, I'm a prince, and my father is a king of this land. One thing is, person make sure I'm also in a fire. That is what you do, right?
Yeah.
Like how to dress, how to eat, how to talk, and then sometimes how to express oneself when one finds himself in a certain area. Wow, it's a nuance I'm doing about it.
Yeah, okay, thank you. Matilda Okanasi. I'll help. I'll make sure that everything is start. I'm ready to do everything. I'm ready to help. To make sure that everything is succeeded.
We'll talk about that. But I believe that this is not going to take too long. I don't want any long-term something. I want this thing done immediately as possible.
No, it be short. It be continuity. Yeah, sure.
All right. Thank you so much. Now, this is Masem.
What day my year?
Kinti.
Therefore,
Akwala no way.
Therefore, when you more, you are three and son about
friend, bro.
The Raja says what in a bathroom. What? Where have you been?
Therefore, we dear and penny for any poor baby say, so ba a jan and air goose, Sarasua, ye horror na yinka. Therefore, me wana bay by say a dear now, ye no, and tray. Say, or him ponke see we see a bear so. Now, we too quiet went to me and can't show. See what got died home. At the Akuapem Twi Simis so semi fancy was so. Once I'm ready sending back. Radio acquired to so or bad the safe one. I would Johnny free ne Janin and Che Ekudi baby. I know dim preco Adrian. With you are therefore me assure say we need preco Adrian. And I walk on so many this was a safe here head up a DB at the cocoa sen. Therefore, by the owner, in I back, or Daurma, Fachan, as soon be a guanzo.
Trust. Go back and
Kente.
Whatever.
Can you move? Near me in a yepe. Mem said the beam criminal red dynamic bay. Enam oba hunti obeblemu me ofri akwa unnim the menene mama ya fam. We've gone through a lot. Sometimes I find it even difficult to eat. Eduane be come na me kai me beipe me mo shebe edie na aba edie na asesa. Why now call? But if you've gone there and one realizing you said, Debbie, I have to come back to my parents here, then you are welcome. Still, Meji will say Oba because we am mucho. I say insist me with technical eye and eagle eye to look beyond the curtain of natural. Menya oba fitting. Cause no biya kono betumi ewefia. The SC no impesi be CBM. If say his actions hurt me so much. sometimes in life, your attitude determines your attitude. The young woman will determine how far you can go. Miss Ren, we should let sleeping dogs lie. I don't want him to ever behave like this. But how could you follow a woman like a mad dog? It hurts. Jamaican say he has to tread cautiously so that he will not fumble. Baba, he's welcome back to the palace. No, it's okay. Sam, it's okay. Sorry. I'm sorry. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Sam, go and sit down. Go and sit down.
What is okay? It's okay. It's okay. What?
Kinti. Asante say I hear also say be
see I best start free in chia anopa obeche good morning obeche so good morning kana no
good morning
na be good morning area a good afternoon so better and you may good evening so what chia kuto like this on so 90 so some boy to please open boy to our boss into the shampoo boy to I can hear and now be so oh 90 no yen kon bi de ko ba na to wa nti yen kon ntentem okoba ako note back so so shampoo boy to our say you are so much so any no friends no or to know so much obema na exams na ya see no prices and now don't say at me say to have back to that I say so better Masem so akonya o come o shatare efe what Masem na I say look at that to say like no I tell you to and then to so first one a day.
You have to. Good morning.
Wow. Sound very
Very sorry about all that I did this thing, and I'm very sorry. Forgive me. I don't even know what came over me. I mean, no idea about Mr. Kra. So between me free a man cry on the mommy. Na me konanti nanti akopie krase. As my football ma wa hingwa kese we. Please forgive me. Na AC builder. And even bringing that girl to meet you at the airport, that I don't know what I was thinking. How could I? But just forgive me. Father, forgive me. This will never happen again. And I promise.
Do you see him? She's maybe on a BCBM. Because we are so be feeling ya me no bi ni ho na me so no me me nya tutu fam whatever I can do to help you be a man my boy because we hear more to me fadi be a me gina menim so he is a me no it's an insult to me pay
Father, listen, about that, I've met somebody, and Father, I promise you, you will like this one. Asante Baba, pretty beautiful girl. Father, you will like this girl. Get the character. She's just perfect to be a princess to me. Just one look at her, and you, my father, will fall in love with her. She's the best. She is exactly what you are looking for me, and I found her myself.
It's not about say wakushia or be no. The whole thing is not about beauty, but it's about character. But at least you see the panier presentable. Look at your mother. Nini pakoni mami pia. Who say yes. Let me say, but in that case, you have a friend or you was and can be so worried baba. Until me train my we are. Say nyedia na is madam from America na banamo wa no na tintintia wa nse ochina farabra I mean do so na me analyze na me hwe no say we are fit to be in this kingdom. I was surprised utumiko fast a girl into what was going through your mind. You say was when you had daddy menya ba could be first one na ties will be inwa. The second one, I'm a bit skeptical. But all said and done, tomorrow will determine whether it's a good wife or not. Until the money be true, I may rest my number. Anyway, let's have that country.
Father, thank you. Thank you so much.
I'll see you.
Do you like the phone? Let me see. Well, you know what? Now I'm only going to speak English with you, and you have to reply me in English. Okay? So let's go. Do you like the phone?
Yes.
Don't say yes. You are a lady. Ladies don't go like yes. Do you like the phone? Yeah, yes, I love it. Do you like the phone?
Yeah, I love it.
Okay, no problem. Many daddy akasa, and I think many of better. You know, many of akasa. I know what I'm doing, and this year also pick you up greatly. But you know, keep on trying. They trust me, they believe in me. So, me say, you could start daddy ni mommy. Into there, me say invite your mother and your father and your uncle. What friend?
Honey, me say nka one me ofa NKANSAH. Ono me hunu sune ne ban. Oyo kwa na okugu me ni manse. Ono mo kasa basa na ande time bi na ono so.
Don't worry, I'll try and talk to you, okay?
Is it a problem?
Promise. Come here. Is that my first kiss? I love. No, that's okay. Thank you.
No be also kwaben manimi ye na me no ukuru di pankom ya shod num kwa de bia enka boche jan kwanka o wiase enema
monka we fanda
o ntu kwai
fie wia me ba ye ifa na mokoya fe
ko de ya ye hu bi
o ti da me na se o
ukwe man me ne ma fo na da ndo ni tu wanya bi na na ukwe what say
man kwanga ba ya me ho abrante na no na mo ha no se na dan wa pesi wala do
wa bo no
aso nim se obe fa brago de nako Nyame da wase. Wa peda na siwesiesie. Na dan mu tototo nam na wa fa kokromoti entim fo wa wo ti.
Eni efie.
Enije. Me na wo twini no ka kire me se me mra na me fa mo. Na me fa mo mra na mo so mo mehwe ho. Na wo denti. Me nya ka me kwa na me.
Wo se be fa unua be ana so be fa.
Muina me na sini ni.
Se wa ntiliye. Se e be ka se unua na se wa unua no kan wan ka se be o
fa be nua. Ene na kontane na si na mra. Na wo si o kan se be si wa ka se me ba nya na me japa ba be.
E wo ya. Oh, me am say once nkwa wo pe oyiye di. Oh,
unua ba ko ba ya de se be fa unua be ma nkwa ba. Wa yi me ni me be fa
akotanya wo.
Da bia de wo ha na wo ye nye.
Me bumfu me.
Me ka na ekwa. E na ekwa wade. Wo ya wo nko.
Bisimi ndia ba no.
Nti
awade ni gba be.
Wona wo no.
Awade ni gba be.
Wona wo akwala no. Wona wo.
O wo yes ka ba.
Ade wo ha wo se wo yi me ni me be firi me.
Sa won sa ba no. No no ba.
Wona nua ba. To ba bo me.
O chon. Enti kwa na yede.
Me ko ye. Na dem ho nyuno mu Yusufa no e bibibi ya press wodan hu na wo ya na so na hudam ayu nyuno se bo na me de we me de ya dem mo me ko tena bonte condition no wa ko to Christmas ya be bo ya se bi de Christmas
ya yo
Christmas
ere Christmas fapan
ana chikele wele
o fapan si
ana me nim fapan enye fapan ye ko da hu ya fa Christmas ye me ko to obi
cinema
anya cinema na me na me say obo amoti TV no waka no na TV
yeah
instead she chef fridge ba ko bi am ko no mo ye say bo me nim ma bo na me say ya auto ni mo so to ra me da po say bri
me ka do he ko ngo na ka so
Ni na me ba nya
oh na fa le ja ni ja kwam
ena ye da nti wo se da be na fa yemra ti ya no se me fa mo na me fa mo mra o tena nko apo me fa mo nko o tena ya ha na bo nye kom na papa na kasa di ekire wasan akofa teacher e di abrabra o teacher brawo mo na me ko ya brawo kasa my god
o so be people have temos. I saw from Bubu teaching your channel.
Blah blah go.
Wow, baby.
I yashi.
Near 5 years. Nkase bon mo be.
Ta se de ke so fe na so wu bia wa bro no.
Oh, sorry.
Bia ne enkomra.
Me aburo me pa bro bia. Ni adua na no.
Me man kan say. Fa plane mo no ya fa mbra ko kasi. Plane aeroplane.
We be kafi.
Be kafi say.
On pro bo so fi. Wow. Bani hu wasi we hu ya na bofro no.
Akunta eya nyi wo fa.
Enti wasi we maybe.
Obakobi. Ondo onye.
Fi obaye pa.
Odo on konko sho.
Di kwa. Me kwa. Obi ka zama. Me na me meje.
Now
Masamni yo Masamni yo
Abusianko odonko
Masamni yo
o was ye awan
Wo bana ede no ayi zano unza
ubia ya ba akonta utimi ya bia ya na chese otiti ni bai ade wonu de onka nipa
aso ene mamefa mede ima akonta na
o pasem o wuro so o san ma ganya mo
me je obi menu we je why
Ele come
chest
yes
yo we dey penikasi yedika ya do wasi tese ye ba hambu ma fere dada asana meba mun yedika wura hamsim wura hem bese me ni bi hu wani tese dem sisu ma o dem dwuma o nyina no se ye pa nya ka se be uzampa me be me ni nyamfo o si ade awo yo o ye de shi ampa de se konkono ne ma focus be bi di hye de ma bi akwa nim se wo tu huku a se wo ne papa so ba ye ne ba wo fa ba wa gba ye wo so pan huku nsu o hye jale ye aduane o don san wo nkokoto onye ni konta adebu hono ya enye me kan history yo ntida na me kan na to say me si afin pambo wo be ti am tete wo me ha wo me bebo me di watemu no wo sampa ankosi aga ti ene ede fambo ne cheme minyi bi efi ne ku hu be mebu no ansa na ma hu si nipa no wo japade na ma hu si nipa no wo esi bijina wasi bema ene wasi ba ene wa konta aworo so ene wo yire papa wati wi e pa ucho lago pa chama mi
eso pacho
so we dey chopa bi
aso e telephone bu on bese ye pa wa pampa mu no
ye shewde
ena modonti atete ya wo be fa mu wakurase amane ehu ye e wo makonta ensa no ene de wachire wodo amene ye hu difference ewo abrabum na ne kurakura ni nyina ne se bi ewiase wo mpanifo se obi enu wo chirifo asempa kodo me yire ni me baiba akwantuom ebe srawo odo sonko a wunyama abusuye se wo mbefa yenya yaka ewo kura na asemra no ema ye ni giye ye ba hwade fefa a wayaman ye hu se wo ye hu do waya de wachire wo do soronko nyame hira ne koso ne ye ne makonta ye no se be bible se obi funkum a obi mfum nwa emfa hye mu yifiro mu na ade asem cha na mfa hwe nche
Now there's a who get me up, woman. My daughter, I will meet you be a rapper who is out of a yard. Nothing on Baza, so who went me up, producing me. Oh, no,
now that's something to be giant.
The producer.
Aso kasa ni Hello Betty. Yanu sababo. Mai. Ndio Mate. Bye. I don't match the woman.
You know, say Mikai, they are my farm. Oh, I saw tech and some Abraham Bay class of Yana. Mejuwa metiase. Dimponya wo de bɔ me. Ensama wo ka to me so. Ene so bɔ wo de bɔ me. Be se na odo a me wo ma bragonti. Be jani nyina no. Me obi mpo bi ba. Ene yese dia me hu ma pen. Ni papa yo he no. Ni na mfo nya ya beto. Omo ma ba fefe. Dodo na nya nya me a. Enka bi ekunu ma. Ne so odo ko de odo wo. Oda me wo ma bravo ntina mbeye me ho akoa ebetine grass ni nyina echi me shebo se mehwe
aba mususu
nokre kebe jama ma be ha me de man
nyen munyam
afekwa na ebe kodan mu a wapopo ne nsa na waye duane ye kwekodi
ni kofi o kofi o kan na nim dondo na sade a wo ye wa ye ne yi ha see a good beard, and you be
na sisi ano ya be ya do mo china ye be kona ye ko huma wofo na aware hye bi a hye no fa brago ya to na e dia hye brago ni nyam sedeti
ndana menyom ne
Rosa angasa pedestre ba ko serve ko ba ko ni ma we ka bo ko ni wiase mo sakre
na fila fácil.
Come
no, where you come from? Where you where? Na yang where?
Na sua uma fiesta.
Casar, irmão, está.
What is it? What do you mean that?
Honey. Yeah, what's wrong?
See, do you think, sir, your mom is accepting me to say, girl now the never feel her no at first, no?
So that is your problem?
No, sir. What do you call you? No, I'm man to. So my name, if this time was, they are going to accept me.
You know what? That's not for you to worry about. I know what I'm doing. I have a plan. What's the matter? Plan. Do you think that Makofa Saira by way so make sure what they on sure send you see her dress a Kasani Bibiano? Do you think it's just for nothing? I know what I'm doing. You see, I made a mistake. From the beginning. The way I presented you was wrong. That was my fault. But this time around, I've done my homework. Okay? They have already accepted you. Why do you want to marry? But you know what I'm doing? I'm going to present you to them on your birthday. Yeah, that is what I'm going to do. You see, say baby da sumuna suna ofana usisia. It may be adipa. Now we use. So when I present you, the real you, to them on your birthday, they have nothing to say. Because already they have welcomed you, we have become one. But I could share airport is okay. You know what? I'm going to present that dress and present you on your birthday. So take very good care of that dress and leave everything with me. I know what I'm doing, okay? Don't worry. Just try and sleep for me, okay?
Sisi akona ya bekolo mesra mo. Fitire no mummienu. Ene mo ne mu kwasi ya ko de bia de bia mbese mo gu ni pe ni mansa no. Mo ko no nko comport mo hu yie. Mo ko comport mo hu yie e wo ko.
Basha mi dia de me mpa. Uja ba no ho ne me mpanyi to akasa kire yi mo hwe hu yi.
Wona ye pani.
Na oba wi control mo e ku ni pe. Na me ku ni pe ni ti bene me.
So
na se ko bi ne kuta oba jimi fo.
No e jimi fo na o ya.
Oba ko sakra ma
nyansa no. Enso solo.
Ene minister no kura fa mo to kura.
Aya sempa no ka kire mo.
Awata twen wu bi ne. Ene ku kasa ukuru di ni papa.
Me ya na se
o kasa mo nyama. Wadi di do.
Bravo.
Ene ba kuna ni kusi.
It's just celebrate this so. See Akan Twi. Unyame po hieni a mo abone boafo. Sika no unyame kru ya nso na ya ma akoko chechiri.
Se ngwa
Aso
se. Bra ko pa na ni wa ni pesi. Bra ku jimi fo pa ni.
Akunta.
What's man out of news? Unyale. Oko che from panto.
Tese bu han. Uwembe asa kunde benya. Bitimi musa sembu wo ana.
Sisi amra se ko ma wo fofie na iko ho mo na. Me papa no. Oya hen kese pa. Eja tek. Ya futu bi na pesa me dem abraye ba be kwe. Me hwe okasa mu a okasa ya otatu nsɛmfo ahomaso ene nsɛm bi a wɔka ne ana nkɔyɛ ma me papa no ɔnyegye nneɛma bi sei so dabi nti ya ba be kɔ mesrɛw ene bi mu a yɛkɔduru n'anim a hwɛ okasa mu yie ma me wɔn nsɛm kan ne sɛnea wɔyɛ yɛ ɔho mesrɛw yɛdu a mɛtuntwa na megye sɛ biribia bɛyɛ yɛ ama yɛ na ma yɛtumi po a yɛde kɔ na ɛwie ɛyɛ ama yɛ. That is understood then, I guess.
Oh, wow. All right. What you have here? Yeah, pass it. We didn't create some nice hands and a echo. Now, go back to the hotel room.
Oh, you got some penny in the bar.
What's your name?
What can I say? Will okay, music. Me, I come on now. Because some penny in Paul, post the crown and or course in the Cassa. Kasi mpenyi se meme comfort myself minim huni nyinsi me se me kache wo pa o hini be me de si ampo ko me no tinfo o bo so mpo na we ku chela ka we mpo na ko sie ni mini se woni nya tse o ba revenge mbo akunta se revenge ana de ba akunta ba ka sa me tete wonti o so tete ma ha wati ndiye na meka o yi dem ganga na meka nchire ho parfum tell just a go adebo what adi and you usuma so it will never into all obi kwada for Ghanaian na wo awu papa na wo dey do o for the people una kan kwa some sache you what is the go no adi sem favor and me say to me to asena they just what you offer tell you
and the recipe I won't say.
C'est ça papa. On a pas fait comme ça comportement. Après il fait. Na so on come on, okay, il nous aide aussi. Il nous aide. Non ouais. Enfin. Non ouais, ça me met ça. Yeah. Apporter. Oh, non, non. Même what bien na so no dey ram to oh, ça va, et puis si non. Mais d'abord, oh, voilà. Enfin, mais pas toi, mais si toi, même pas, mais pas toi. Puis on n'a pas de temps. Mais si même pas, maintenant, on peut s'en parler. On peut s'en parler, pas ça, il n'y a pas. Parce qu'il y a un moment. Toi, dis. On y a même un moment. Bagasse. Aka mile meno ensemble. C'est ça quoi. Waka kwa bwiti. Ngugu mufi au da kwa kwenu. Kwa yano.
Masem yo. Masem yo. Abusianko odonko. Masem yo.
What in a oh way?
They are in, but I was waiting to seek permission from Mama and you before I do that.
Oh, let them in.
No, one more job.
Let me go and bring them, Daddy.
That's good.
Daddy?
What in the line?
Daddy, Mommy, this is the beautiful young lady I was telling you about. Daddy, this is the mother of Brago, and that is the father. This here is the uncle, and that is the little brother. Yeah, I finally found my princess, Daddy.
We shall for the decline of Kwaba. I'm a fair. Let me what was it? Motumia Basabrim. If we are say, you see the old paddy Hokotokon in Nabro. And you may my impress pa. You see, at the Pansu fear, oh ye. Say, my henny a big kingdom. I have to be bringing a shemase. Tis a me ba e kwa warrior. Now see you be fit into our status. And you be again. The candy be by na abela tell my kingdom. I'm said to be. I don't want it. Lord, not by dear, my son mutri. Nana no misham. With the answer, Rana. You're facing date, Nana.
More facing date because you are ready anytime if you are not going to cry. That's why. Mama form date.
I did be a so channel. Until Mama dating and a person be a grand wedding. I say, my friend a deba, we mean a deba. I am 42 in a bus here. No, she be burning more.
As a bit, Miss India Cassandra. What can I say? I want to come here and me. I did chat, Ned. I didn't put a joint yet. I just say, Ash. Now, okay, I see so. I phone because I am Deba. Memaniati. Sam me papa. Deba, will be best for Jimmy. Fat baby, no tata me. I feel Jimmy, hey, Deba, will be best for Jimmy. If fat baby, no doubt. Means say, wait, and it was again, time for Kutumba. I don't give it.
That's a break. With the mestre and the dear Casacacra. Mirini. What the answer yameba. Ye from Bancasa. Minam see a brain and share and she. That's a break. And then I watch me, Yabeba, my beer, and I'm Pacho. Papa, you have a contact. And I mean your baby. And I catch you and more fast also. Because I find it. And I'm more fast about pushing me. Nah, me too quiet. You call a year for a jack. Akofa.
And if she made Mama dear bro, me a mammy okay. Why?
Who was in your film?
Oh, me, you film, you were film. And you film. The Tiana said, date na dear Bian and Dika can say, chip a bedroom. And I just delayed, just denied. To me, so 2 weeks, you know, it's accepted. Why? Now, I'm quite better. Okay, anyway, what from Kogasum? Why? Na Kushomana, Akra, me back around. Why?
You're looking good.
Thank you.
Why is that? I already have my wife. long last, your great soon nature, yes, sir. What's that place, but somewhere far away, you know. Mommy and Daddy discussing it. If he says so, then I guess we can go.
Oh, okay.
Just like. Oh, Mommy's here.
Hello.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi.
Hello. Hello, Mommy. Welcome, Mom. Oh, my father's screen. Welcome home.
How are you?
I'm doing good, Mommy. Please sit down.
I'm good.
Mommy, I'm out.
Yeah, well.
Nice.
That's. Now, what to say?
Ninti a movie ya no pay ni se. Ense nka me no dwen ho mo na so ense hwe. Me ye madwen se. Me de mawe bi ebrem. Na o masomasi. Fi se me peso bende na banchire wa chire bi me kwadwom na o ye adwuma wo jade no mo ni ade se jabe hye no. Oh, senior na ibia na sem na huru bia konani. No, jabe hye no de David person be say na ho fe no. Emi to me sheba. Mam do mba say wono ankasa. O hwehwe mu yi ni o pe. Ana say ni obetu mate. Emi tina me na maso.
Mommy. With the mates ni bi Abraham or Masem e wo fi ha.
Yes.
Oh. We just sure can do over.
We can go.
Yeah, it's open late. No.
Minim say we oba obetuma ye bibia bet. Enye side die no. Obi na som yen. Oti ase. Fi sika ofie. Me pese obi be fi. Ana so ejabe hyehyɛ wo ni ade obekɔ jade na meba na wo ye fi now. Didn't na ma no ho. Omo aso me som yen. Enti me do ma ba. Hwehwɛ mu me yi wo mpna.
Okay, Mommy, yeti say mo ba no. Oba no aduane say oba nanka ya tun say didi. So, yanko dining hall na yanko pe bibi ni. Oba no try to.
No, you always is my papa.
Okay. My first name
Kitty.
What therefore?
Me mansion and you might say.
What therefore? Everything is go through.
Okay.
Na edie me fe power adwumayefo no wo mo to ties no. Therefore so must di design bia hye ties ni mu no. Just any abrochire nsonsore bia ni.
You see wo hwa brebe na metumi akom.
Or therefore actually 1 week. 1 week.
1 week they too early. So too for to kwan. Na me kwen se nkobeba obedu amakosre no. Na kobebo am be dan no. Be bia no aman na no aye hira na him side on so.
Oh ya wie bibia ye kama. We dey da kokora pani na fa tutu na nkakran aka na kohwe.
Okay.
Wo fi na ye fe.
Okay. I feel
therefore.
Daddy!
Oh yeah, that's Masem, come here.
Daddy!
Yeah.
Oh, Daddy, I miss you so much.
I miss you too, man.
You're looking good. Mommy? You're looking so good, Mom. That was my first queen.
Yeah.
I love you, Mommy.
Oh, good.
Therefore,
Yes. For now, you are the intermediary, the middleman, and even the referee. And the DM Kwasu, Bisami Bay, the Nantesie.
Prince, and Penny Fossy in Pa, and so you say, Busa, now when Nantesie and say.
Ashami, father and mother, I am the happiest man alive. I finally found my princess, my queen, and my bride, Margarita.
You see, there's a popular scripture in the Bible which says, blessed are the eyes that can see. In Shirani Enia, dear.
Aye, Papa.
That's right. Adia, aye, Papa. Thank you. Me babwatin, ye baby a cream not away ni. Nesunu huna dear. Also, he is the happiest one. Me more than happy. Me ni kraje chen. It's something say now. I can confidently say in my absence, there's somebody to inherit this great throne.
That's my kingdom.
Beba me dasi. Ohine nasi but me dasi. Me dasi pa. What's my name? After mo say mo ba. First in na wo ko ditch. But me no kasati atia ha many po there no. You've changed your mind. Margarita, you are welcome into my wonderful kingdom. What is your buy we just make that faithful they don't want very you will behave like a toddler. Yes, a babe. Soon you finish you. Pack you near my granny feel like a stranger. But prodigal son was our baby. What shimmy munyam say? Na me tumi de me sesi me po. Na de akwa me sem se mo
Shasa asena soma.
Mo. Manos.
Boati, wama meni ajipa.
That's right.
Afena me husami ya ena. Meni aji. Na awari amawari. Si awari ane kwa wa. Yensonje. Awari anu awari. Yadi odo. Ene tiasi. Ene abotre. Ene awari. Se do ye nipa. Ento kwa die. Ebeba. Neba. Nese bako ye ne bako jimi. Excuse me to say. Nese bako. Jimi mabako. Kama chiro. Intasa mena o papa. Dibia yako. Yaburi ya hoda wodem. Nana bacho. Listen. Mingu wani masena. Ye woman America. Yako pa. Utibe burumi ya. Na. Sense me dono. Anasa ya warranty no. Ya ni asa trust ni akaya sem ya kwa kanchi obia. Trust fefe obia ntiasem. Isa so na pesa we. Special you. Listen. Please. Unyanko wa say. Tankonya Margarita fefe adi front bola so adie. Sumina so adie. So de brago. And you know wa braga churches. I don't want to mention that name here.
Yeah, don't mention it.
Me de meka achewo nyina ne se utumfo nyankopon ba de no ade mienu no hira so wo tie ho no ye ne kronkron awade ene di kai nti yehowa pa na ne kon de wo hira so afi no wo me hu se wo befi the first thing de ne kana wuyi always a balancement.
Kente.
Therefore.
Meaning?
Just say, Udidi atem.
Oh, Kente. Is it embarrassment or what?
Embarrassment.
That's right.
Now back one sem fata. Now the name Bow Papa or Brimponsi yenim. A year passer was a son wagon. Oh, dear Yamiayo. A beauty girl.
Yes.
Plenty.
Yes.
Nicely.
Yes.
You're welcome. Good.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Margarita. Happy birthday to you. Terrible voice, huh?
And how old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now?
Boom boom.
10 years old now. 10 years. My son is raping you, eh? Margarita. Mommy, telling me my son is raping you. Mommy, I'm just kidding.
This is the best birthday party ever. See you enjoying your food.
Happy family, man.
Kumia. Idrisa Abreseya. Ni aje. Intense. Si edidi ama yefu aboto pe ni amumu akonhoma. Intense. Na ebredru sena nabano wo asem bi de maye. Timebo modin se obi a wo wesa na no bi a wonyan. Ensa wa amha asem obeka no monti. Obi anye di no nti. Mo sore, mo mo se mo.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Happy birthday to you, my beautiful Margarita. Thank you, Father. Thank you, Mother, for this wonderful birthday party. It's a beautiful treat to the woman that I love so much.
Yes.
And I'm so honored for all the good things. You say you're worried. I said, you won't be a cast or the Maya. Father, I love it. What was that car again? Toyota Sequoia. She's been driving it mostly anyways. And anyway, Father, you need your mother. You know, massive brain. But there is something on my heart that I want to share with you. Papa, okay, I may be a chairman. And I'm about to be Fifi, Kode Krasibi. The Koya Bassa, and now, continue so the sign by Fiaoji. Sorry about that. But I'm Jimmy, I'm a bit now on my answer. Until send me share beautiful Margarita, we are no idea man. I'm so grateful, Father, but there's a catch to that. The secret. In Tassim Bureau, I'm a person in ocean. Father, I have a surprise for you. Mother? Papa, Mommy, okay, I tell you. Okay, so I tell you.
Don't cross the Asian landmark. Because if you do, a snake will bite you. Please, stay where you are. I am highly disappointed in you. What is this?
My girlfriend.
Oh, you call this your girlfriend? Actually, don't touch me. Alice. One come once man show.
Father.
Huh? We can wish you going.
Okay, so me brother attending.
Where you boy attending? And you say put your to know as a someone. Look at you. You are a parasite. I will not allow you to enter into my house. I don't like it. Look at you.
Disease to your family.
Such a way. Look at him so good at Taria. And if you hear I refuse you in the name of the God. I think so. Because I need a free Canada ever. We do a photo. And there was this filthy, undesirable,
rubbish.
Yes, no such a waiting and way fever. I remember this costume. The pan were warm.
Dead and born.
Yeah, I kept it. Yeah. I am a Masem kind. Father, Brago is not dead. Brago we. Papa.
What?
Okay, sir, again.
And we're true. Yes, celebrate birthday. What is it?
Brago is funny. Brago, Emma, Mena, me call if your cancer Brago or not. Brago na will be known name. Brago na. But in the buyer, I didn't make what name did you call it? Kankabi. And what was the name? It didn't mean how the friend cried. Embarrassment. And then father.
Parasite.
A parasite and mother. A disease. Cancavicious embarrassment. Bravo. Who father? Mamena Margarita in China. Bravo in China only. I went in the year. I dream back my Pamana. There she is. Me call Bravo Crow and I'm call Nancy Yasheno. Ne mami, and ne papa, anything. My father. And I never and I knew my and an uncle engineer. But too quiet. Bravo. Father, I didn't make that choice. In life, we all have our desires and our wants. You tried to resist me from getting what I want in life. Mother, you connived with another woman just so I could lose the woman that I love. But I found my heart. From the day I've been born, everything that I do is done for me. And this was the worst opportunity for me to do something for myself. And I was able to do it. My beautiful princess, brother. Thank you so much. Thank you. Manusi.
Kitty. I think the SCD I was a trade room in China this year. I was you can pick the poor from the necklace and plant him on the mountain. For the SCA, we said it's not time for us to shed tears, but it's rather time for us to celebrate with my son and brother. It's Black Bosse and one support to be a man, I want to say, I'm sorry.
You're always welcome. You're always welcome.
Prince, Pomacho, Mufan Chame, Nenyamia, Mufami Bonin Chame said, Mikasa Brago, a war. Patrol, Fachame, Nenyamia, a Yamuma, Umami, and oh papa, and a mammy casa, Sabrago, Sabayam on Tambetitie. Kamipunu wa hasea, Kobedi Madansie, I am a yabe brace, so near say. Sibravo, me watch your wife.